Hi everyone, and welcome back. In this quick Unity tutorial, we're going to learn how onEnable and onDisable work. What are onEnable and onDisable in Unity? onEnable and onDisable are special, built-in Unity methods that are automatically called when a game object becomes active or inactive in the scene. onEnable is called when the game object is enabled via setActive, true, or when the scene loads. onDisable is called when the game object is disabled setActive false. These methods belong to the MonoBehaviour class and do not need to be called manually. They are similar to Unity's event-driven system. Unity monitors the object's state, and when that state changes, it automatically calls these methods. We define a private variable called obtrender, which will be used to change the color of the object's material inside the awake method, which runs as soon as the object is initialized. We grab the renderer component using getComponentRenderer greater than this, allows us to control the color of the object visually. And this time, we set the object's color to red to indicate it has been deactivated. Now keep in mind, when a game object is disabled, it won't render, and it won't run update or physics. But this method still gets called right before it disappears. This gives us a perfect spot to do cleanup, save data, or stop certain effects. We also have onMouseDown. This function is called when the player clicks the object. As soon as we click it, we call setActive false. This deactivates the object, which triggers onDisable. After 2 seconds, using invoke, we call a custom method called reactivateObject, which sets the object back to active using setActive true and triggers onEnable again. This cycle helps us demonstrate how onEnable and onDisable work in action. By the way, earlier, I using start, but actually, for this case, we're using awake, since we want the renderer to be initialized as early as possible. Just a small correction. I'm moving it to awake, which runs before start. I hope this video helped you understand how they work, and how you can use them in your own projects. If you enjoyed the explanation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Unity tips and tutorial. As you can see, whenever the object becomes active, it turns green, and when it's deactivated, it turns red. You can easily customize this behavior to fit your own needs. That's how onEnable and onDisable work in Unity. They're small but powerful tools that let you hook into the moment something is activated or deactivated in your scene. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.